Class 8 Science, we were discussing Chapter 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence, and in this video we will discuss about menstruation and how is the sex of the baby determined. First, reproductive phase of life in humans. Adolescents become capable of reproduction when their testes and ovaries begin to produce gametes. The capacity for maturation and production of gametes lasts for a much longer time in males than in females. It means in males, the production of gametes takes place at the late stage of the life. Okay, while in case of females, this stop at the 45 to 50 years. That is, production of gametes in the female stop up to the age of 45 to 50 years. In females, the reproductive phase of life begins at puberty, that is 10 to 12 years of age, and generally lasts till the age of approximately 45 to 50 years. The ova begin to mature with the onset of puberty. One ovum matures and is released by one of the ovaries once in about 28 to 30 days. During this period, the wall of the uterus becomes thick so as to receive the egg in case it is fertilized and begins to develop. This results in pregnancy. Okay. Menstruation. If fertilization does not occur, then what happens in the uterus? The released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off, means discharged. This causes bleeding in women, which is called menstruation. Okay, generally in common sense we can say that it's periods. Okay, in women and girls, periods has been started. This is the bleeding in women. Menstruation occurs once in about 28 to 30 days. The first menstrual flow begins at puberty and this is termed as a menarche. Okay, this is the first menstrual flow, that is called menarche. At 45 to 50 years of age, the menstruation cycle stops and stoppage of menstruation is termed menopause. Clear? That's why we can say the reproductive life of a woman lasts from menarche to menopause. That is from 10 to 12 age and last up to 45 to 50 age. Menstruation cycle is controlled by hormones and the cycle includes the maturation of the egg, its release, thickening of uterine wall, and its breakdown if pregnancy does not occur. Now question is, how is the sex of the baby determined? That is, the baby will be boy or girl. How this is determined? Inside the fertilized egg or zygote is the instruction for determining the sex of baby. This instruction is present in thread-like structures called chromosomes in the fertilized egg. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nuclei of their cells. 2 chromosomes out of these are the sex chromosomes and named as X and Y. A female has 2 X chromosomes, while a male has 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. The gametes, that is either egg or sperm, have only one set of chromosomes. The unfertilized egg always has 1 X chromosome, while sperm are of 2 kinds. One kind has an X chromosome and the other kind has a Y chromosome. Okay. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote would have 2 X chromosomes and develop into a female child. If the sperm contributes a Y chromosome to the egg at fertilization, the zygote would develop into a male child. From this diagram, you can understand eggs always has X chromosomes. Clear? While sperm may contain either X or Y chromosome. When Y chromosome of sperm fertilizes egg, then this result in boy. We will get the XY combination. And when X chromosome of sperm fertilizes the egg containing X chromosome, then we will get the XX combination and this result in the girl. In this way, we can conclude that male is responsible to determine the sex of baby. Clear? That is, लड़का होगा या लड़की होगी ये मेल डिसाइड करता है, फीमेल डिसाइड नहीं करता है. Okay? The sex chromosomes of the father determine the sex of an unborn baby. The belief that the mother is responsible for the sex of her baby is completely wrong. In our society, ये माना जाता है कि लड़का हो गया या लड़की होगी ये माँ डिसाइड करती है, जबकि साइंस कहता है कि ये फादर से डिसाइड होता है कि लड़का होगा या लड़की होगी. That's why to blame her for this is totally unjustified. Okay, thank you.